If you have been scrolling through endless options, trying to figure out which DJI drone worth your time and money, stick to the video. I have got the DJI Flip, Mini 4 Pro, and DJI Neo. I spent days pushing them to their limits, so you don't have to. By the end of this video, you will know which one is perfect for your needs. One of these drones that absolutely blew me away. First up, the DJI Flip. Look at this thing. It's like the transformer of drones. We're talking a folding design so compact you can fit it in your pocket. And trust me, it's not just a gimmick. Don't let its size fool you. This little beast packs a 48 megapixel camera and captures buttery smooth 4K 60 FPS video. Perfect for those who want to travel light but still capture the moment in stunning detail. And get this, it's got built-in propeller guards and a forward-facing 3D sensor, making it beginner-friendly and safe for indoor flights. But here's the million-dollar question. Can it compete with the big players? Let's keep going. Next, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now this is the drone for serious creators. Think 4K HDR video, 60 frames per second, and insane slow motion at 100 frames per second. It's like having a Hollywood-grade camera that flies. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, this drone has eyes in the back of its head. Whether you're capturing a hike, a bike ride, or just your dog chasing its tail, the Mini 4 Pro makes it easy to focus on your shot, not on avoiding trees. It also has true vertical shooting, which means your TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts are about to hit a whole new level. But is it too much drone for a casual flyer? We'll get to that. And finally, the DJI Neo. At just 135 grams, this little guy is so light, it feels like you're flying a feather. But don't let its size fool you. It's packed with quick shots and a solid 12 megapixel camera that shoots 4K video. This is the drone for beginners or vloggers who want something simple and fun. It's intuitive, portable, and gets the job done, without overwhelming you with features you might not need. DJI Neo got a shorter flight time, about 18 minutes, but for quick captures and everyday adventures, it's a great choice. So here's the cheat sheet. DJI Neo, affordable, ultralight, perfect for beginners and casual flyers. The Flip is stylish, compact, portable, and a solid all-rounder for travel enthusiasts. Finally, the Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate tool for creators and pros, packed with premium features. Still on the fence? If you want something super light and fun, go with DJI Neo. Need portability but with extra power? The Flip is your guy. Ready to create cinematic masterpieces? The Mini 4 Pro is worth every penny. Thanks for flying with me today. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below and let me know which DJI drone you would take on your next adventure. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy flying!